Evian. From the pure springs of the French Alps, this water has become the world's most iconic mineral water. But how exactly does it travel from snow and rock to your bottle? The journey began in 1789, when the Marquis de Lessert discovered a spring in Evian-les-Bains. By 1826, Evian had opened its first bottling plant. Over the years, the brand was fully acquired by Danone, now delivering Evian across 140 countries. Rain and snow melt and take an intricate 15-year journey through glacial rock to form Evian's naturally filtered mineral water. The result? A neutral pH of 7.2 and unique taste. In Amphion-les-Bains, a massive carbon-neutral plant bottles 1.7 billion bottles a year, producing Evian in eco-conscious PET and previously glass or PVC bottles. They've even committed to using 100% recycled plastic, rPET, by 2025, pioneering sustainability. Evian's brand value is over $1 billion, thanks to consistent innovation and high-fashion collaborations from Balmain to Pharrell Williams. Evian isn't just bottled, it's forged over centuries of nature, crafted with heritage, and preserved with a vision of sustainability. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, comment, and subscribe to @LegendsUnfolds for more inspiring brand stories.